feels very Alice in Wonderland. Is it Alice in Wonderland? When the Queen makes the guards keep on painting her roses from white to red. Yeah. I wonder what the fire would look like on that.
I mean, you could shade it a bit, maybe. I don't know. We might paint a bit and see. I'd put away that orange and yellow paint. I don't know what colour these are. Kind of fire colours.
Thanks. Yeah, I feel like I sort of need to look at a
Fire.
Well, not a fire. A picture of what.
The one in.
Yeah. Okay. Let me have a look.
Ooh. Okay.
Small limes.
Nice. Did they have white in theirs?
I don't know. The fire. Oops.
What? Well, you should probably put some logs or something underneath, or some coal.
Oh, okay. Let's do logs. Difficult to show with the light reflecting. I do want to knock back. Yeah, do you think?
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Yeah, we can always put some actual twigs in there if we want,
yeah.
can't we?
That would be nice.
Maybe it would be nice. Yeah, we could do that. There's the fireplace. Painted. We've trimmed off a piece of driftwood as the mantelpiece.
Need to break off that nail.
Ooh.
We're here. Pliers, it should be fine. Pull it out.
Oh, there you go.
But we need to stain out the same colour as the wood.
Oh, really?
But yeah, it looks a bit strange. Or paint it.
I might do just the lightest bit of staining because it is already aged, isn't it?
I know, but it doesn't go with the wood in the room at all.
Just the lightest little bit.
It's like a work of art, that plate.
I know, it's beautiful, isn't it?
No, it's not that. Don't stain that. This.
Oh, that's why I was confused.
No, don't touch that.
That's why I was confused.
This.
Phew! I was like, really?
No.
Okay. Oh, well, that makes much more sense,
Yes,
doesn't
because
it?
it doesn't go with the wood in
Yeah,
the room.
Oh,
My goodness.
What? But it's really nice.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
But I trusted you. I went with you. I was like, okay, whatever you say.
No.
Back to orange hands. I like what's happening to the Minimus cloth too. We'll have to turn it into something at the end, like a cushion or something.
Oh, nice.
Now that it's dried,
Should see what it looks like in the room though, maybe.
I just need to getting out the doll's house box. It doesn't look like a doll's house box.
snow
I want to make a tiny snow globe for the mantelpiece.
Man, woman, how are you going to do that? Didn't actually have
I'm not
a snow globe
actually
in it.
have anything inside it. That's
Okay.
impossible. But it does have something inside it. There's a little blue ball inside it.
Oh.
So I think I'm just going to make a base and maybe put some snow on it.
Yeah, all the snow would be underneath it.
Yeah, but if I just put it on the outside.
Yeah, well that's what I mean, but at the bottom, not at the top.
Well, no, I was going to like, sort of like spray, flick snow on it.
Okay.
First of all, I need something as a base. Maybe a bead.
Bead. Do you want the beads?
Bead could work all that. Oh, that's not a bead.
Those are the broken beads.
Really, you need a piece of metal.
Oh, that means getting the metal box out.
I know. Put on a picture of it. On a picture of it. Mantelpiece. It's going to have a snow globe on it. And the greenery. And whatever else we can.
I don't know. I mean, the back is missing from that, but it might look quite nice with like greenery
Ooh,
sort of
might.
cascading out of it.
It might be quite nice, yeah.
I mean, I don't need to be restricted, do I? There are no rules, because we do have. Oh. How am I going to do that though? But she's got her arms. I'm going to have to try and chip them off with a little. Okay, I'll be fine. I did it. I didn't break it.
Woo!
Quite easy actually. It's sort of made of plaster rather than pottery.
Oh, wow. Lovely. I think they're apples, aren't they? But all roses. Can't we're gonna pretend
Flowers.
Flowers.
They look like flowers.
Oh. So there is the fireplace with the greenery, the tiny snow globe, and Mum's reconstructed pot of Brussels sprouts.
It's not
On
Brussels
the
sprouts.
fire.
It's roses. It's got to be roses.
Yeah, it's roses.
And the candlesticks that you made before,
Mm-hmm.
we can link in the
Beads
description.
and pipe stems. Yeah. So yeah, I think it's coming together. It will look a lot more Christmassy once we start putting in all of the sort of paper decorations.
I think we'll put a hearth in as well.
Yeah, I think so.
And there'll be stockings hanging on there.
Mm-hmm.
There's loads to come, basically.
Yes. And we are going to take your comments about the Christmas tree and we are going to put it on a little table. And
star.
yeah, we'll put a star on the
Or
top.
shell, because somebody said they used to
Yeah.
decorate their trees with shells. That would be nice.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll do that. Hope you enjoyed episode 4. Hope you're having a good start of December and we will see you tomorrow. Bye. So the lovely Mel, aka Fairy Acorn, who we've spoken about on this channel and makes us some wonderful tiny miniatures, has very kindly sent us a miniature advent calendar this year, and unfortunately it is the 4th now because the postmen are striking, but we figured we'd open the first 4 and then we'd open one every day for Minimus, and then Mudmus too, I suppose, yeah. First of all, not part of the advent calendar, she sent this beautiful pouch with a little acorn and a bead, and it's a real acorn cup. I love it. So let's get one to.
I like the way that she packs the parcels with.
Yeah, and she's so kind, and she's written the dates on every parcel. 2, 3, 4. Do you want to start?
I'll do one. Use scissors.
Careful.
All our scissors are covered in milliput.
Yeah.
Oh, the little sink. Little Belfast sink.
Oh my goodness, it's a Belfast sink. Oh, it's got a little plug. Oh, that is amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll do number 2. Oh, I think I see a bowl.
And it's a little mixing bowl.
It's a mixing bowl. We find fragments of these, don't we, Mudlarking? And we've always wanted. I mean, we're never going to find a whole one.
No.
But that is so brilliant.
Let's put it in the sink.
Yeah, there's some washing up to be done. Here you go. Ooh.
It's so tiny.
Those scissors are also so
Yeah, they're rubbish. There we go.
Scissors.
I think. Maybe I haven't. Yeah, I have. Oh, they're all so beautifully wrapped.
I know, it's so exciting.
Don't have the nails.
It's such a sweet thing that she's done. We just have to say a massive thank you.
Oh, wow. Look at that pie.
Goodness. Oh, look at that pie.
That is beautiful.
Oh, that's definitely going to have to be part of the Christmas dinner.
Oh, yeah.
That's a very fancy
Pie.
Fancy Christmas pie.
Oh.
Someone definitely put that much work into a Christmas pie. Oh, it's gorgeous. That's going to look so good in the Little
Christmas
Women's
room,
Christmas
yeah.
pie. And then December the 4th. Oh, there's a lot in here.
Little milk bottles.
I think they're little bottles. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Goodness, that one.
Oh.
Goodness.
Oh, no.
There's silver tops and gold tops. Okay, now I'm feeling like we need to try and make a, what are they, like a milk bottle rack?
Yeah.
What, is that just what they're called?
Crate.
Milk crate. We need to make a milk crate.
Out of metal.
Yeah. Look. Oh, they're beautiful.
They are so cute.
Wow. Thank you so much, Mel. We are beyond excited. And yeah, it's such an incredibly sweet thing for you to have done. We've got all these for December. It's so exciting. I'm especially excited about December 7th because it says open over a tray or piece of felt. Very tiny. You know, those are words we like to hear. So yeah, that's another little addition to the end of every Minimus film.
And Mudmus.
And Mudmus, yes, because there's only going to be 12 Minimus. So yeah, thank you very much.